I love this camera.
Pooter camera. America's funniest, man. You don't get no money for real TV.
Dude, you get all kinds of cool shit. That didn't work.
No. Didn't work for shit. You like any bottle rockets?
What we're gonna do, Pat's gonna light one, and Muff's gonna light the other, and Pat's gonna go one way, and Muff's gonna go the other. It's all be good.
Huh?
I don't know.
Me and the goat ass. Ass! Shit, that's close to my truck. I got a fuel leak. Everybody's got a fuel leak around here. Fuck. That's close.
Now I don't have any more.
That's Pat.
Yeah! Run, Pat, run!
I don't know about this. Be saying too close.
Yeah!
Let's go look at the tube.
Ain't much left of the
What two?
Where'd the plastic piece go? Yeah?
What's that, Pat?
Oh, fuck!
Do it again! It's already hard enough to count to 10.
This is some good shit.
If I couldn't pass high school, we can never count to 10.
I know. Who's graduated and who's still in high school, Joe?
Hey, look at my age, look at your age.
So, I'm done with college.
One of them artillery. Yeah, finally. God damn,
Get
thank you
one
on
from,
that.
you have to get it from him.
That's spit right there.
I graduated.
I graduated when I was supposed to.
Fuck you,
Yeah.
Pat.
That's that stick.
No.
Hurry up, here comes the bitch.
Sounds like an automatic's what it sounded like to me. Camera time.
This is not gonna work.
That's Rick.
I'm behind the power ring.
Shrapnel. Wrapped it up in a pop can.
What the fuck?
It's not working. No.
Better off, Pat.
What?
Run, Pat, run! They're talking.
Oh, now, am I going to be on TV?
You're going to jail.
MTV? For what?
Trespassing.
I don't think so. You're trespassing on my lot. See,
What's your
this
name?
is school. This isn't like the 4-H lot. This
And about half of them went off. What the fuck?
Damn vehicle.
No, they don't go that high.
No, that's not fair.
He's got a video camera in there too.